I need everybody to clear out. Range is high.
We've already tested shopping carts and we've tested door dings. Today we're going to get a chance to test the actual bullet performance. So when we first started the design for Cybertruck, the goal was to come up with something that had an exoskeleton. We had to make a custom alloy to make it more ductile. While we're at it, we also made it a bit more corrosion resistant. So this is a 300 series. Our panels are up to 1.8 millimeters thick. So actually carrying structural load, not just there for aesthetics. Starting with a 9mm Glock, shotgun, double-aught buck, and of course, Tommy gun, 45 caliber. So we'll get all these through tested today and we'll see the results.
Right? Clear.
All right, moment of truth. It's pretty good. This one intense. So that's 9mm, 115 grain from a Glock. Looking pretty good. We got one spot where we got a double hit, and so we've got a little bit of cracking. But everywhere else, we've just got a crater. Looks good. All right, so this was an MP5. It's the same 9mm, 115 grain. It's going a bit faster. We've got only a 4-inch barrel, but an 8-inch suppressor on that. So you can kind of see, obviously, a bit more tighter grouping, but yeah, still no penetration, so looking good. This is a 12 gauge M4 shotgun with double-aught buck. Took 5 rounds, held up pretty well. We had one where we got 2 of the buckshots hit right in the same spot. Got a bit of a through hole there. Let's see if it made it all the way through. Well, the inside of the panel's good. There's no hole here. Let's see about the glass. Yeah, we got a little crack in the glass, but it held. All the windows are intact. Everything functions just as it did when we started here. So I call it a success.
Awesome.
So don't believe the movies. When you shoot a normal truck, the bullets go in one side, straight through, and out the other side. You cannot hide behind the vehicle to be safe, so it's something to keep in mind. Unless you're in a Cybertruck.